I want to come to you for a few minutes from my desk. This is called From Brenda's Desk. And what it's meant to be is that point of inspiration. And really, to be very honest with you, it may be the dining room table. It may be a notepad sitting beside my bed at night. I oftentimes will get up and write something down because the Lord will give me something in the night. So this is kind of an admonition for those of you who want to remember what God said, write it down. That will really, really help you. And so I've written down some things for you. And in Brenda's desk, this is what you're going to, from Brenda's desk, is what you're going to find. There really many teachings, perhaps a bit of inspiration, perhaps a bit of encouragement. I hope that it's going to be something that will meet your need. Now this list is going to grow, so check back. Feel free now to download them, to print them off, and take those nuggets with you and use them. That's what they're for. It's not, head knowledge is not enough. This is, we've got to be doers of the Word, and this Word was sent for us to do. And you know, we can have all the promises of God, but if we don't hold to them, believe them, adhere, trust in them, depend on them, and then act like they're true, we won't ever see these wonderful things that God's planned for us. There are a lot of nuggets, and if you are familiar with a particular type of teaching, look for the nugget that you may have missed, something that's brand new to you. If you're going to look at a mountain, let's talk about a mountain for a minute. You can look at a mountain straight on. You can drive 20 miles one way and look at it, and go 20 miles the other way from center and look at it, and you will see things from a different vantage point. So open yourself up. The wells of and waters of revelation are stirred right now. God is pouring out liberally. And I want you to take these in, enjoy them, use them, and be blessed by them. I just encourage you, get in the Word. That's the Word that's going to set you free.